Alright, welcome back. As we left off, we were just starting question number 19. So question number 19, count to find the area of the figure. Each unit square represents 1 square inch. What is the area of that shape? Number 20, once again, count the unit squares to find the area. Question 21, find the product. Question 22, find the product. Alright, question 23 says complete the set of related facts for this set of numbers. Alright, so it gives you the three numbers, 3, 4, and 12. Just like you were doing in Reflex all year long, what are the 4 related facts? 3 times blank equals blank. Blank divided by 3 equals blank. Blank times blank is 12. And blank divided by blank equals 3. So make sure you have 4 different related facts in that fact family. Alright, George made $6 selling water at a baseball game. He wants to know how many bottles of water he sold. George used the number line to help him. Alright, so enter the division equation that the number line represents. Alright, so it starts with 24. Alright, if he made $6 selling water at the baseball game, alright, he made $6 selling water at a baseball game. He wants to know how many bottles of water he sold. George used a number line to help him. Alright. And last but not least, question 25 is a 5-parter. Alright, it says part 1 of 5. Gavin sold 63 bagels to 7 different people. Each person bought the same number of bagels. How many bagels did Gavin sell to each person? Alright, so the first question is, what do you need to find? The number of bagels Gavin sold in all, the number of people Gavin sold bagels to, or the number of bagels Gavin sold to each person? Alright, what's the question say? Right here it is. How many bagels did Gavin sell to each person? So there it is. So if you've stuck with me to this, all the way to question number 25, the last question, there's a free answer right there. I'm curious to see what the second part is. Part 2 out of 5. How can you use a bar model to help you decide which operation to use to solve the problem? I can make a bar model showing blank equal groups. All right. So if you're selling 63 bagels to 7 different people, all right, how many equal groups are you trying? Yeah, 7. All right. I can make a bar model showing 7 equal groups. I know there are 63 in all, so I can what? Divide, subtract, add, or multiply. Yeah, divide. See if I got it right. Oh man, I'm good. So parts 1 and parts 2 are free for you. We're now on to part 3. So here is your bar model. Complete the bar model to help you find the number of bagels Gavin sold to each person. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different boxes standing for each people, for 7 different people. All right, so 63 divided into 7 groups would be how much per group? I'm going to stop there. I'm not going to give you all 5 steps. All right, I'm not feeling that generous today. All right. Finish up 25, finish all 5 steps, click turn it in, and you're done with the end of your test. Thank you for all your hard work, and your assignment next week will be a little bit different. That'll be coming out this weekend, so look for that in your mailbox. Hopefully I will see you guys soon.